Hello, and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with Chart Guys. It's Monday, July 10th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, we've been playing basically TCG crosses, and what we've been doing is taking long positions on the 4 EMA being gained and taking short positions on the 8 EMA being lost. So once 4 EMA was gained, long, 8 EMA lost, short, 4 EMA gain, long, 8 EMA lost, short, 4 EMA gain, long, 8 EMA gain, short. And until this trend changes, that's the way you have to play the trend when you spot a pattern like this. What could happen here and what could change the trend here is we may be in an equilibrium pattern. What I mean by that is that instead of setting a new low, we may set a higher low, and on any move up, we may set a lower high. And for this trend to change on the daily, we have to break this recent high of 47.32. That means this pattern will no longer work, and we'll look for a new pattern to play on oil. But as is, we'll continue to play this until the 4 EMA, this green line here, which is currently at 44.79, is regained. And if it's regained, what I'm expecting is a lower high from this recent high of 47.32, and we could range here until there's a breakout. And if that's the case, then we'll wait for the equilibrium pattern to work itself out and then play the break. But the pattern has been recently lower highs on the daily and the weekly and lower lows. So if we don't set a new lower low, then we know that we could potentially be in an equilibrium pattern. We also know that we could potentially change the trend by setting a higher high from this recent high of 47.32. As far as the weekly goes, a lot of work for bulls to do to change this trend. You're going to have to break this high of 52 for me to change the trend on the weekly longer term. So I am still short oil as long as the daily 4 EMA is resistance. So we back tested it today, rejected right there at the 4 EMA. Probably likely to back test it here again, may potentially even back test the 8 EMA. But until it closes above it, it doesn't matter if the price gets above it. The close is important for me. Until we close above it, I will stay short. Currently trying to regain the 20 EMA daily. We'll see what happens. I am definitely bearish on oil still until that 4 EMA is gained. Obviously, the weekly charts clear signal for the bears. So off this bounce, we've been setting higher highs and higher lows. And once that trend changed by setting a lower high here and lower lows from this recent low, and then breaking this low here, definitely was a signal for me, the low here of 42.22, that the longer term trend since the bottom has changed. My pointer. So those are my thoughts on oil. I will still stay short until the 4 EMA is taken out. I think all bounces right now are just going to be short term. Not very much confidence in the bulls yet for me. And you can see on any time frame here, if you want to do a 4-hour time frame, what's been going down on the downturns is you can clearly see that we get this dump, consolidate a little bit, bounce, 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 dump, bounce, dump, bounce, dump, consolidation, dump, consolidation, dump, consolidation, dump. So 4-hour chart does look good here. It did look good for a little bit, but until we break to a higher high on this 4-hour chart, I'm really not going to even pay attention. First thing we would have to do on the 4-hour chart is we are getting a bull MACD close to it, but we'd have to take out the 20 MA here, which is currently at 44.87. In fact, we need to close above it, not just get above it. We need a TCG bull cross here or an early signal potentially. We need to get above the 20 MA. And for me, again, you're going to have to break this recent lower high here of 46.53 on the 4-hour. So if we're able to set a higher high on the 4-hour, then I may change my view. But until then, I'm still going to be short oil. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.